Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to back up your WhatsApp chats. For this tutorial, I'm demonstrating the steps on my phone, and then I'm showing the recording on my PC so you can see everything more clearly. Now, let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Next, tap Settings, then open Chats. Here you'll find the Chat Backup option. Tap on it to open the backup settings. Now make sure your Google account on Android or iCloud on iPhone is connected. This is where your WhatsApp backup will be stored. You can also choose whether to include videos in your backup. If you want to save videos as well, simply enable that option. Once everything is ready, tap the backup button. WhatsApp will begin creating a backup of your chats and media. Depending on the size of your data and your internet speed, this process may take a few minutes. Please wait until the backup is complete. After the backup finishes, you'll see the last backup date and time updated on the screen. This confirms that your WhatsApp chats have been backed up successfully. That's it. Your chats are now safely backed up, and you can restore them later if you change your phone or reinstall WhatsApp. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful WhatsApp tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.